A number of Kampala traders in the Central Business District have blamed the ongoing reconstruction of the Nachivubo drainage channel for worsening the flooding, saying the works disrupted natural water flow and reduced the channel's capacity. But the National Environmental Management Authority (NEMA) has dismissed these claims. Engineer Leila Akello, a senior manager for environment compliance, says the project underwent a full environmental impact assessment and continues to be monitored to ensure it meets approved environmental standards.
Looked at their structure studies. Hydrological studies are studies that help on assessment of stormwater flow. Stormwater flow analysis, it helps you how the risk factor of flooding will take place. This was assessed. So you will notice that the original channel that we had here, that was developed for the channel, it was 7 meters wide. This redevelopment application that we received from Chiham Enterprises Limited, it is giving a proposal construction widening of the channel to 12 meters of width and 3 meters deep for a length of 1.2 kilometers.
At the construction site, engineer Ivan Sewankambo explained that the drainage is being widened to accommodate heavy storms, with metallic mesh barrier installed to filter out solid waste that would otherwise clog the system.
Especially at this point where we're doing the construction, you find that these lateral connecting culverts, we have socketed them into the channel we are constructing. But upstream of them, you find that they are clogged. And it is always the onset rain, the first rains that always awake KCCA to do the declogging, to do the silty clearing of these tributaries. So it was majorly caused by blocking of the tributary channels that are connecting to where we are constructing.
So that is something that we should manage. So one of the requirements we told the developer is to ensure we have wire meshes, what we call the gabion collectors. The rubbish should be collected to avoid interfering with the channel, and to ensure that all these inspection chambers are managed well. By the time the water reaches downstream to join the lake, it is well treated, well screened out, well stabilized, and it reaches the water when it's well treated.
Still, many traders remain devastated. A young electronics dealer in Shauriako says his stock worth millions of shillings was destroyed.
Minutes to 15 minutes it entered without our alert. It destroyed a lot of our property. I lost my camera. It's a Nikon D7500, of which I'd planned as my business or my future investment. But it got wasted in the water that rained.
Businessman Dr. Hamis Chigundu, who is financing the 180 billion redevelopment of the Nachivubo channel, says the project will transform the city's main drainage into a modern, eco-friendly corridor that eliminates flooding and boosts urban safety.
Only developing a channel, but we are doing socio-economic transformation, especially for the down part of Kampala. So it is a very productive project, and I call upon all Ugandans to simply embrace it.
Meanwhile, some businessmen say the public-private partnership represents a new blueprint for solving the city's drainage and flood challenges ahead of Uganda's hosting of AFCON 2027.
These floods. However, this is a very good, wonderful development. I could give you an example. You go to Tocho, if you visit Tocho, or even the runway of the second international airport in Tocho is built under the water, over these rivers. So I cannot see any problem with this development.
As Kampala rebuilds, NEMA insists environmental safeguard will remain central to all urban development to present a repeat of this week's flooding disaster. Saddam Mubale, UBC News, Kampala.